Hey, welcome back. I am from Exploring Excel, myself Amiya Dabholkar. You can email me at exploringofficeexcel@gmail.com. This is video number 7, print huge data in limited pages. Let's go on to our sheet. Okay, I have one question here. I have 850 rows of data in 2 columns. How do I print all the data in least amount of pages? So I need to know how to print all the data in column A and B across the whole page until I run out of the data. So there is a great solution here. Oops. There is a great solution here. The basic solution here is it has a huge data here, says 2011 and 2012. Control down, it's up till the row 850. Control home. So basic solution here is first you can adjust it. First thing, going here, print preview, okay, and close print preview. So you will get some of the print ranges. So you can go down to the next print range up till here and control C, copy, and then paste, control X to cut, and then control V to paste here. Then so on you can continue doing, but it contains a huge data set. So you can't try this method out. It is a bit very lengthy method. So instead I prefer the second method. First, selecting the print range, going to the page layout tab, control shift down, going to the print area, set print area. Now this is set as to be the print area. Going to the office ribbon, then print, going to the print preview, and you can click here to go to the page setup. In the page setup you can create options, then going to the this, where it is, finishing tab. You can select here 4 page per sheet and click OK, but it does not reflects here. That's why it is not working in my printer, or it is not setting it. Something or other problem may be there, or you can try it your own. My third solution is you can just go here, then print note. You can go to save as, go to PDF. You can go to the PDF format and just save here, like printing. Then you can just click publish here. It will open a PDF document here. It has 19 sheets. So you can just go file, print. Now here you can do a small side of settings, like going more options, not here, multiple. Clicking on the multiple, you can select how many pages you want. 2, 4, 6. If I want 6, I have this like this. If you want 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it does the work in 3 pages. That's it. Nothing. Basically you can set to 16 also. It just work done in 2 pages. That is cool. So you can just see here how it does. So you can just go and print it. Here in the page setup there is also the properties. If you want portrait or a landscape, okay, that time you can do. And basically the method this I observed is a little bit lengthy method to change the data set, then arranging, then again inserting here, going down here, control X, control V, then again doing here copy, control C, control V, and sort of arranging the data, then giving all borders. And this solution does not work on my computer, but mostly it can work on your computer. Going to the print preview here, page setups, going to the options here, finishing, 4 pages. It doesn't work on my this, but maybe work on it. But the PDF method works great. works great, and all the data is summarized in just 3 to 2 sheets. So thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe and watch more videos and the latest videos on YouTube. My channel name is Exploring Excel. You can email me at exploringofficeexcel@gmail.com. Thanks for watching and have a good day.